Yes, girls. So we want to continue with Big M method, right? When did we have last lecture? Friday. Friday I was on leave. Friday I couldn't take your lectures. So before Friday it was Thursday. Thursday, what was the date? Thursday? Ten, right? So or 11. Yes. So Big M method, let us quickly revise. You have to use it when you have mixed type of constraints, greater equal to type of constraints. Then in the objective function, you will introduce plus m if it is to be minimized. If it is to be maximized, you will introduce minus m as the coefficient of artificial variable. Okay, and we were doing this problem, right? Right, girls? Girls, can you hear me? Please answer my
Yes,
question.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we were doing this problem, right? Okay, तो हमें ये टेबल यहाँ तक हम आए थे. This was the last table, right? Okay. So now इस टेबल से कंटिन्यू करते हैं. Tell me which column is the pivot column. Okay, let me just tell you the problem. Problem is minimize z, okay, and this is the standard form. So when you are minimizing it, you will look for the most positive zj minus cj value, most positive zj minus cj value, and that is here. The first column, if you see, the corresponding zj minus cj value is 3m minus 5 by 2. Right, this is your pivot column, girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. And let me just erase this part, otherwise it will confuse you why I have circled it. Okay, let me just erase this portion. Yeah. Okay, so this is your pivot column. Now the next step is find the ratio. Okay, so let us find the ratio. Ratio batao. Ratio of which columns? Ratio of which columns?
Solution divided by period column.
Yes, so 11 by 2 upon 1 by 2. So that is 11 only, right? 2 will get cancelled. Then 1 upon 3. And next is minus 1, which you have to ignore being a negative entry. Okay? So which number is minimum? 1 upon 3. And this is your pivot. What do you call this?
Pivot column.
Pivot row.
Row, sorry.
Huh. Which element is pivot element?
3.
3. उसे आपको क्या बनाना है? So I will duplicate this page.
1.
Okay. So इसे आपको बनाना है 1. Okay. Now I am erasing the upper portion. This whole table we have to write newly now. Okay. Yes. So this is table number 2. Okay. This is initial simplex table. Yes, this is initial table, first one, or table 1. This is table 2, and the table 2 I am repeating here because we want to solve this now. So tell me which variable will replace which variable.
A1 replace X1.
X1 replaces A1. A1 is replaced by X1.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so A1 की जगह पे मैं X1 लिख रही हूँ. Accordingly, what is the coefficient of X1 in the objective function? 2. Okay. The new variable I am writing in yes, girls, please do the needful here. Just give me 2 minutes. You complete this table. Zj minus Cj we will calculate together. Complete by yes, girls. What is the solution column? Can you tell me solution column? What you have to do with the pivot row? Divide it by
3.
3. So it will become 1 upon 3 here. Okay, let me write it in blue. Who is waiting in the meeting? Okay. Now this 3 will become 1. This will become -1, 0, 0, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, -1 by 3. Okay. Yes. Now this element half, we have to reduce it to 0 using this new row. Okay. So क्या ऑपरेशन होना चाहिए बताओ? R1 पे क्या ऑपरेशन होना चाहिए?
R1 minus 1 half R2.
हाँ. And R3?
R3 plus 1 by 2 R2.
यस. चलो. सो 11/2 माइनस, ये न्यू रो आपको यूज करनी है. ये इस रो की तरफ देखो भी मत. डू नॉट लुक एट दिस रो. ओके. So 11/2 minus 1/2 into 1/3, that is 11/2 minus 1/6. So how much it is? 65/6. Okay. Next, half minus half, 0. Then 3 minus half. ये -1 है. Okay. And this is 3. So 3 minus half. So 3 plus half is 7/2.
Ma'am, your screen is freezed.
Can you see it now? Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 0. This is 1. The next is minus half.
Ma'am, it is 32/6. The solution of S1.
Which one?
32/6.
42/6 आ रहा है.
32.
कैसे?
Ma'am, it is 11/2 minus 1/6. No? So we will
11
multiply
two,
11/2.
11/2.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. 33 minus 1, that is 32/6. I'm so sorry. 32/6. So that is 16/3, right? You can reduce it more. 16/3 you can do it. Okay, this entry, tell me this entry, S2 वाली entry बताओ. S2 वाली entry का क्या होगा? Just a minute. Yes. बोलो इसका आंसर क्या आ रहा है? This number is minus half. Okay, R1 minus half into ये 1/3 आपको लेना है. Okay, I am talking about this element. So minus half minus 1/6 कितना होता है? -4/3. -8/6. नहीं, -8/12. So -2/3. करेक्ट है क्या? इज इट करेक्ट?
Yes, ma'am.
प्रवचन सुनने वाले लोग नींद से जगो, बताओ करेक्ट है क्या? -2/3. नहीं तो
Yes,
प्रवचन
ma'am.
में कैसे तालियां बजाते हैं, वैसे आप करेक्ट आंसर पे तालियां बजाओ ना मेरे। कोई बोल नहीं रहा है, सो रहे हैं क्या सारे लोग? चलो नेक्स्ट, ये एंट्री बताओ।
-1/6.
-1/6,
Then 2/3.
2/3। क्या हो गया इसका? प्रेस हो गया। क्या है हर्षिता? 2/3।
Yes, ma'am.
2/3, okay. Now this one is 0 and ये है half plus 1/6.
2/3.
So this is also 2/3. ये 0 बन गया, minus half plus half 0.
1/2.
This is 1.
1/2.
This
Then
is
1,
left is
0.
0
-1/3.
-1/3 कैसे रे? ये माइनस हाफ है, माइनस हाफ प्लस 1/6,
Yes.
माइनस हाफ प्लस 1/6 आ रहा है ना? -2/3 आ रहा है हर्षिता।
Yes, ma'am. I have to check it again.
बघ ना, मायनस हाफ घ्यायचा आपल्याला, हा नाही सॉरी, हा मायनस हाफ आणि इथे हे आहे आपलं -1. हा एलिमेंट नाही, थांब, हा एलिमेंट काढतोय ना आपण, म्हणजे -हाफ प्लस 1/6 बरोबर ना? हा 1/3 आहे, 1/3 आहे, इंटू 1/2, so that is 1/6. So that will be 2 into 3, 6. -3 plus 1 is -2/6. माइनस 12, हाँ -1/3 करेक्ट है। मैंने यहाँ पे गलती की है, मैंने गलती की है।
Then,
ओके,
yes, ma'am.
सी
Ma'am, then 1/6
1/6, yes,
and plus 1/3.
plus 1/3, okay. Yes, everyone else, have you copied it? Girls, have you copied all these numbers? Say yes at least. Huh? At least कहो ना, yes ma'am, we have copied it. हाँ? कितने लोग हैं रे मेरे क्लास में अभी? How many are there? My dear 33 students. हाँ? Siddhita, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Ume
Yes,
Salma,
ma'am.
Riona. Where are you all? चलो, tell me ZJ, X1 का ZJ बताओ. This column, CP column is
ma'am.
respective. 2.
Minus 2.
-3/2.
Yes, ma'am. -3/2.
Okay, next.
1,
1,
0.
0. 2/3 minus 1/3, that is 1/3.
1/3.
2/3 plus 1/6.
5/6.
Okay. -2/3.
-1/3.
नहीं, ये अभी -2/3 plus 1/3 आएगा ना?
हाँ मैम, तो -1/3.
-1/3. Okay. Now M, 2 minus 2 0. -3/2 -4 कितना आता है? So M is not there now. नो आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल इज देयर, राइट गर्ल्स? कोई भी आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल आया नहीं है यहाँ पे। तो हमें सारे नॉन पॉजिटिव आने तक काम करना है। -3/2 -4 कितना हुआ? -11/2
-11/2
-11/2। ओके, देन ये हुआ 0, ये
0
हुआ 0,
0
1/3,
1/3 5/6 -m
5/6 -m,
-m
हाँ,
-1/3 -m
-1/3 -m। तो अभी बताओ इसमें मोस्ट पॉजिटिव कौन सा है? ये 3 लोग जो 0 हुए हैं, ये 3 लोग x1, x3 and s1, x1, x3 and s1, they all are there in the solution. तो उनका respective zj minus cj value, they have become 0. Now this is positive, right? हमें क्या ढूंढना है? मोस्ट पॉजिटिव चाहिए हमें। दिस इज निगेटिव,
1/3
दिस इज 5/6 माइनस
5/6 -m.
5। अरे पॉजिटिव नहीं चाहिए हमें, निगेटिव नहीं चाहिए हमें।
हाँ, 1/2.
We are minimizing the
1/3
objective function. Listen, girls. Wait. This is -m. -1/3 -m is going to be positive or negative?
negative
Negative.
Negative. 5/6 -m is going to be negative. So which is the only positive answer?
1/3
1/3. Do you understand this? So when all the values will become either 0 or negative, we have to stop. So we cannot stop here. Do you realize this? Do you realize this?
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो हमें कंटिन्यू करना होगा ये प्रोसीजर. दैट मीन्स we can enter S2 in the solution, though it is a which variable it is? Surplus, na? Is it a surplus variable? I hope all our calculations are correct, girls. Okay. Yes, what is the value of Z now? What is the value of Z? ये आपका जो है -1/3 -m में यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ, -1/3 -m. Z की वैल्यू कितनी है बताओ? फर्स्ट कॉलम इनटू सॉल्यूशन कॉलम. What is the value of Z?
4/3
4/3.
4/3. Okay. Yes, 4/3. So there is no m now here. So it is 1.333, correct? Now we need to continue this table.
yes ma'am
And why did we take these other values?
Which value?
Calculate Z.
Huh?
Ma'am, for calculating Z, like how we did, I didn't understand.
Array, Vipasini, so many times I told you, see the coefficients. This is your Z, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your Z, 2x1 plus 4x2 plus x3 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus ma1 plus ma2. Now, which variables are there in the solution right now?
S1, X1 and X2.
हाँ, तो x2 है क्या solution में?
9.
So what is the answer of x2?
0.
So 2 into x1 का आंसर आया है मेरा 1/3. ओके, प्लस 4 इंटू 0. x2 नहीं है सॉल्यूशन में, तो मैंने सिंपली क्या कहा आपको कि we will just multiply these first column into third column. ओके, x3 का आंसर कितना आया है आपका? व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ x3? 2/3 प्लस s1 का आंसर आपका आया है 16/3, बट इट इज 0 टाइम्स 16/3. s2 is not in the solution, so 0 into 0. a1 a2 both are not in the solution, so उनकी वैल्यू भी 0 आई है. समझा क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
But every time, don't waste your time in considering this whole objective function. It is the same thing what we are doing here. The variables which are present here और इनके कोएफिशिएंट से ये ऑब्जेक्टिव फंक्शन के और उनके ये आंसर से. सो 2 टाइम्स x1, यही तो है ना आपका 2 टाइम्स x1, देखो, एंड 1 टाइम्स x3, 1 टाइम्स x3, एंड द वेरिएबल्स which are not present, their values are 0. सो सिंपली आपको फर्स्ट कॉलम इंटू थर्ड कॉलम करना है. समझा क्या? अभी समझा क्या सबको या नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
सो नाउ S2 will replace which variable, वो हमें देखना है. दिस इज अवर पिवोट रो, सॉरी पिवोट कॉलम. ओके, दिस इज माइनस, दिस इज ऑल्सो माइनस. Now find out the ratio. 16/3 upon minus 2/3. But this is going to be negative. -8 आएगा इसका आंसर. समझा? Then 1/3 upon 1/3 is 1. And minus 2/3 upon minus 1/3 is 2 plus 2. Now the first one you have to ignore. It is a negative ratio, so you have to ignore. So again, this is going to be replaced. x1 will be replaced by s2. Are you getting it? So नए टेबल में मैं x1 की जगह पे s2 लिखने वाली हूँ. S1 वैसे के वैसा है, x3 वैसे के वैसा है. ओके, नाउ प्लीज टेल मी R2 क्विकली. विच
मैम सॉल्यूशन कॉलम में वो +2/3 है ना?
हाँ,
मैम आपने माइनस लिखा था.
नहीं,
माइनस
के लिए आई जस्ट हैव टिक्ड मार्क इट.
मैम बट इन द रेशियो कॉलम -2/3.
हो लिहिलंय ना मी -2/3. कुठे लिहिलं मी +2/3?
नो मैम, रेशियो कॉलम मध्ये मॅम थर्ड रो
-2/3
डिवाइडेड बाय -1. बट मॅम तो प्लस आहे ना 2/3.
तो प्लस आहे असं तुला म्हणायचंय आणि मी चुकून मायनस घेतलं. मीच हे
हो मॅम.
मायनस घेतलं. ओके, हाँ, so that ratio is going to be negative again, so that also you have to ignore. So only second row we will consider as minimum ratio. Yes, so which element is the pivot element?
1/3.
उसे 1 करना है तो क्या करना चाहिए?
डिवाइड बाय 1/3.
Divide by 1/3 means multiply by 3. Make it simple. So multiply this whole row by 3. So that will give you 1, 3, -3, 0, 0, 1, 1, -1. Correct? Correct, girls? जल्दी जल्दी बोलो. चलो अभी नेक्स्ट रोज. नाउ फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस रो. अभी इसके सर के ऊपर वाला जो एलिमेंट है -2/3, इसे 0 बनाना है हमें, तो हमारा ऑपरेशन होना चाहिए R1 प्लस 2/3 R2. ओके, और ये नीचे वाला जो 1/3 है, इन दोनों को हमें 0 बनाना है. ओके, so accordingly the operations are chosen. So okay, let me write the operations here because यहाँ पे हमारे नंबर्स आएंगे. अब ऑपरेशंस यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ मैं. R1 प्लस 2/3 R2 एंड R3 प्लस 1/3 R2. ओके, सो बताओ जल्दी मुझे. 16/3 R1 का पहले करते. 16/3 प्लस 2/3 इंटू 1. So 16/3 plus 2/3 is 18/3, that is 6. Next, 0 plus
2.
2, so that is 2. 7/2 minus 4/3. Sorry, 7/2
Minus 6/3.
minus 6/3.
3.
That is -2. 7/2
Yeah.
minus 2. So that is 1. 7/2.
3/2.
3/2, yes. Then 0. Then 1 as it is. Minus 2/3 plus 2/3 is 0. That is what we wanted. Now minus 1/6. And this is plus 1. Minus 1/6
Minus 5/6.
plus 2/3.
Ma'am, oh, plus. Yeah.
Minus 1/6 plus 2/3. Riona, this is 1.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it is 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1, 3/6, 1/2. Correct, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 2/3 minus 2/3. 0 आ रहा है?
0.
0.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अभी करते हैं थर्ड रो का. चलो फटाफट बताओ मुझे कैलकुलेशंस.
R3 plus R2/3.
2/3 प्लस 1/3 इज 1 ना. ये 1 आएगा. सॉल्यूशन 2/3
Yes, ma'am.
प्लस ये वाला 1/3. ओके, नेक्स्ट दिस इज 0. ऑपरेशन ये है, देखो गर्ल्स अभी.
Yes, ma'am.
R3 प्लस 1/3 R2. ये R3
1, ma'am.
ये R3 कंसिडर करो. 0 प्लस 1 1 ना.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, हाफ minus 3/3, that is -1 minus half. करेक्ट है क्या रियोना?
No, ma'am. वो कट हो जाता है ना, ma'am.
नहीं, ये हाफ.
-3.
दिस इज हाफ.
Yes, ma'am. Half minus, yes, ma'am.
Minus 3/3. So that is -1 ना. So minus half हो
Yes,
जाएगा.
ma'am.
This will be 1 as it
One.
is. This will be
0.
0. Then this is
0.
minus 1/3 plus 1/3 is 0. That's what we wanted. Then 1/6
1/2.
plus 1/3. That is 1/2 आता है.
Yes, ma'am. 2/6, 1/1.
Yes, ma'am.
3.
And 1/3 minus 1/3 is 0. ठीक है. Okay, now let us quickly calculate our ZJs. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन कॉलम CB कॉलम देखो. S1 S2 के कोएफिशिएंट्स 0 है. ओके, सो 1 माइनस हाफ 1, ये दोनों 0 ही है. तो डायरेक्टली थर्ड एलिमेंट इंटू थर्ड एलिमेंट करो हर कॉलम के लिए. This is 0, 0, half, 0. Now Zj minus Cj, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus half minus 4, minus 9 by 2, 0, 0, 0, half minus m, and this is 0 minus m. So this is minus m. Right? So do you find any value which is positive?
No, ma'am.
And see the variables which are there in the solution. कौन से है? S1, S2, S3. So x3. So x3 का zj minus cj 0 आया. S1 का 0 आया. S2 का 0 आया. Now this is minus m and m is sufficiently large. तो अगर आपने m की वैल्यू 100 रखी तो ये हाफ माइनस 100 हो जाएगा और ये माइनस 100 हो जाएगा. Next last value, and these two are already negative, minus 1 and minus 9 by 2. So what can you say? You have reached to the final stage. Here you can stop doing simplex. Okay. Let us quickly calculate z value. Bipashni,
One.
please send me the attendance, today's attendance. Okay.
Ma'am, Z value is 1.
Z value देखो, this column into this column, 0 into 1, 0 into 1. So answer is 1. Okay. स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो फटाफट इसका, लिख रहा बाकी अगर है तो, बिकॉज 1 minute is left. Now how will you write the answer? x1 is not present in the table, x2 is not present in the table, x3 is present with one answer. So आपका आंसर है LPP का solution x1 0, x2 0, x3 1 and z is 1. Minimum value of z. Is that clear? Bipashini, have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us stop here. You must be having another lecture.